Hello, my name is Jamina Cremazzolo with Top Florida Homes, and we're here today at our new listing in East Orlando. Perfect location next to Waterford Lakes, UCF, Research Parkway, lots of restaurants and entertainment nearby. It's a one-story home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just a little over 1,100 square feet. It has a pond view in the back. The roof was recently redone in 2017 and all the electrical has been done in 2018. So let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so now we're inside the home. So as you walk inside the home, you're going to notice to your left you have access to the 2-car garage. And it's a very open floor plan. It's a split floor plan as well. The master bedroom is going to be to the back with the 2 other bedrooms to the front and a bathroom. As you can see here, the ceilings are vaulted. There's a lot of light coming in. It makes it nice and bright and cheery. Back here you'll find the kitchen with a galley style kitchen that includes the stainless steel appliances and a breakfast bar. Now to our left is where the master bedroom is, and like I mentioned, it's a split bedroom or a split floor plan. So the master bedroom has a lot of privacy. The master shower has been completely redone. There's 2 walk-in closets with custom shelving. And then down this hall to the left is where you'll find the other 2 bedrooms and the bathroom as well. Now let's go out back. I want to show you my favorite part. Okay, so now to my favorite part. Out here you have your own private oasis. You have a covered screen porch that looks out to the pond view. And then as you come out to your backyard, you have a very spacious backyard. The fence was put in 2018. And as you can see, you have plenty of space here to put a trampoline, a playground, a pool if you wanted to. Lots of space out here for entertaining. So please come check out this home. It won't last long. For more information, visit toporlandohomes.com. And again, my name is Jamina Cremazzolo. Thank you for watching this video.